Hello everyone, I did the 24 hours eating chocolate challenge, so this is a video showing what I ate. So first of all, for breakfast I had a chocolate latte. So I had some decaf coffee and also the Pucker organic latte chocolate and maca powder mixed in. After that I added a bit of boiling water and then I put in my soya milk. Then I got a ready sliced cinnamon and raisin bagel out of the freezer and toasted that. For my breakfast I also had a portion of fruit, which was grapes, and I had some Biscoff spread and dairy-free chocolate spread on top, and I spread it on quite thickly because I might as well. Then for lunch I had some chocolate pasta with some banana chocolate spread and pieces of chocolate. So I used the Nomo brand, which stands for No Missing Out. And I just mixed that all in. It was quite nice. It was a bit weird having chocolate pasta, but it didn't actually taste like chocolate. But the kitchen smelled like chocolate. In the afternoon I went to a big shopping centre, so I took a chocolate bar and I ate that in the car and when I was walking around a bit. Then when I got back it was a bit late but too early for dinner, so I had some balls of ginger filled with chocolate. No, ginger on the inside, chocolate on the outside. And then for dinner I made some chocolate pancakes, so I just added some cocoa powder in substitute of some of the flour that I usually use, and then the other ingredients and the milk, and then I fried them up. So I had the same chocolate spread again, some tahini and also some Lyle's golden syrup on top of the pancakes, and I added more as I went along. Then there's some kiwi fruit and frozen blueberries. I think there's like 12 pancakes. It's more than it looks, I think. Then for my bedtime snack I had a semi-frozen dark chocolate Alpro dessert and some lactose-free milk in a mug, a very large banana, 2 Oreo thins, 2 Brazil nuts and some raisins and some black currant jelly, which is a bit of a mishmash, but that's what I usually have, and the cinnamon in the milk. Okay, thank you for watching, that's it, bye.